How are you guys? You are good. I hope you are all good. Today I am beginner's strategy for who suffering to where to take the trades and the direction of the trades. Last week and the world's situation is war situation is affecting the market so badly. So the last week I also suffering the trades, but now from 2 days, last 2 days, the market it's some stability, showing some stability, and I trade in profitably in some days. Okay, so this is the I am in the candlestick 30 seconds, and indicator I am using for the Kettner channel. Okay, and second one is the stochastic oscillator. Okay, Kettner channel is multiply for 2, and you use all 2px for the clear vision. Okay, uh, stochastic oscillator I not change. Okay, only just the 2px. Okay, now this is the stochastic oscillator is in the overbought condition, and the market touched the and above and touch the uh, above of the Kettner channel, so you take the trade full over, and the stochastic oscillator is in our sold condition. The market touch the line and this the lower of the Kettner channel, so you need to take the trade for above. Okay, so I am moment for you guys. I took the trade here above for 2 minutes because the markets is the touch the lower of the Kettner channel, and stochastic is in oversold condition, so there will be sometime will be a reversal from here, so that's why I took the trade here for 2m up. There is the result. I'm in the money, so find the another moment. I took the trade here for lower because the stochastic oscillator is on over a bought condition, and it's the market it's touched the and near the upper line of this, because the market is the downtrend, so it's up sometime, so it will be go down again, so that's why I took the trade here for lower for 2 minutes. So let's see the result what happened here. A great deal here, low, so let's find the another moment. I took the trade here for 1 minute here because the market touched the and near the Gartner channels above level, and the stochastic oscillator is showing to the in overbought conditions, so there will be a reversal anytime. So that's why I took the trade here for 1 minute. So let's see the result. Great. You just need to watch the market and the market's trend. Okay, there is the lower trend, so that's why I took the trade here for lower and I won here. If I take the trade here for above, so there will be loss come because the market trend is lower. Okay, so let's find the another good moment. I took the trade here above for 1 minute because there is the mini shadow here, and the stochastic oscillator is in our sold condition. So let's see the result here. What will happen? Let's see the result. It's a clear win. Who didn't join the pocket option, so kindly join the pocket option via the link in the description. And the pocket option, it's in the good, and it's giving you a good platform to the trade and understandable. Okay guys, enough for today. Thank you guys, and thanks for your support, and thanks for the good words. Thank you.